How long can you survive holding a sneeze? 10 seconds in, your sinuses burn like fire. Pressure hammers the inside of your skull. 30 seconds, ears ring sharply, eyes start to throb and water. A wave of panic hits your chest. 1 minute, face turns deep red. Veins bulge across your forehead. Head feels like it's about to split open. 3 minutes, pain shoots behind your eyes. Nose bleeds slightly. Mind races with raw fear as you struggle to hold it. 10 minutes, skull throbs violently. Vision blurs. Every heartbeat sends fresh agony through your brain. 30 minutes, eardrums scream in pain. Blood trickles from your nose and ears. Terror takes over completely. You can't think straight. 1 hour, something inside your head gives way. Severe internal bleeding starts. Body shakes uncontrollably as darkness closes in. And in the end, a major blood vessel bursts deep in your brain. You collapse instantly, dead before you hit the ground.